Have you ever been in a situation where you found a really nice blog post like this one and you want to be able to continue reading it on your mobile device, but then you don't want to type in the entire URL into your phone, or you just feel like it's going to take forever to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem where you can easily share this web page to your mobile device so you can read it. Before we get started, I publish new videos every week, so be sure to subscribe and not to miss anything. So we have this great blog post that we want to be able to share on our mobile device. This could be a web link, it could be any website that you go to that you just want to share on your mobile device. Now, ordinarily, people would just go to the URL link and copy the entire URL link and maybe send it via email or via message or something. It's not a bad way to go about this, but it's not very effective. So I'm going to show you a method that I think is very effective and very quick to share web links and blog posts and whatever you want to share to your mobile, whatever link you want to share to your mobile device. Okay, so in order to set this up, we are going to be using Google Chrome. Just open up a new tab and then type in this URL address. And this is going to take you to a new page. In this page, you're going to have a variety of settings, but we are interested in one setting that is highlighted in yellow. And you can see that on your right hand side, you see an option that says default. So we just want to change only this setting, nothing else. So click on default and then change from default to enabled. So once you have that enabled, all you have to do is relaunch the browser, and once you relaunch the browser, it's going to take you back to this page. Now we have this feature enabled, so all we need to do is go to this blog post that we want to share to our device and then right click anywhere, and then you'll see this option. So if you click on that, it's going to generate a QR code. Now once the QR code is generated, all you have to do is open up your phone. Let me actually do that again. So generate the QR code and then open your phone and then open the camera app and scan this QR code. You can see that the phone is saying there's a QR code detected. So all you have to do is tap on that on your phone, and then let me type in my password here, and you can see that the web page has been brought up. It's being opened up in Safari. So this is typically how you would actually share this page. It's a very quick method. All you need to do is to enable the QR option in Google Chrome, and then just scan it, just right click and then open the QR code and then scan it with your camera app. I've tested this on iPhone, so I should be able to work on any other phone that can quickly scan QR codes. So that's pretty much it. It's not complicated. There are other options where you can install extensions, but I prefer using this default feature that's enabled in Google Chrome. So I hope you've learned something, and I hope this will be very helpful. If you like this video, please give my channel a like. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you smash that bell to get notifications whenever I publish a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.